Welcome to our Disguise Sticks Basics, Tools, and Techniques tutorial. Disguise sticks can be applied with a sponge, a brush, or directly from the disguise stick itself. To apply from the stick, dip in water and paint directly on the skin. The sponge is by far the best method for quickly applying disguise stick's color. To apply with a sponge, use a wet stick and a dry sponge. Using a wet sponge can cause soap suds, which should be avoided. Using the sponge, apply on the skin with a stippling motion or a wiping motion. For fine detail, use a number 4 round brush. Next, we will demonstrate the use of a stencil. Load a sponge up with royal red color. Before applying face paint to a stencil, it's a good idea to test the paint on the back of your hand to make sure that you have the right amount of color. Put the stencil firmly against the skin and stipple over it. Load a sponge with black face paint, then stipple this color onto the stamp too. Firmly press the stamp too onto the skin. Now use a damp sponge tip corrector to erase any extra lines. You can also use a tissue or a wet wipe. Load a number 4 round brush with royal red color to paint the rose, then Irish green for the stem. While the face paint is still wet, apply opalescent glitter to the rose with a fan brush. Stipple a white cloud shape on the skin. Outline with midnight black and a brush. For an amazing and easy rainbow effect, rubber band several mini sticks colors together. Get the sticks wet, then load a 1.5 inch flat brush with all of the colors at once. Again, test this on your hand to ensure correct color concentration. Carefully paint the rainbow on the skin, reloading when needed. Sprinkle glitter over this for another dazzling effect. Graftobian is proud to offer a second edition to our face painting book, available now. Here are just a few of the faces included.